Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by deciding what the chart must communicate, trend, difference, or category, so pick a palette that supports that goal. Once chosen, limit yourself to 3-6 colors to avoid noise and select sequential, diverging, or qualitative scales accordingly. Make sure to test contrast and simulate colorblind views if text or marks fail a 4. 5. 1 standard, tweak luminance or saturation. Once done, lock the palette and document hex codes, because consistent color use saves time later. You now map variables to color with intention. Quantitative measures should follow light to dark progression, so viewers read magnitude naturally. If the data has a critical midpoint, use a diverging palette and center it at a meaningful value like 0 or average. Make the neutral color subdued. For categories, stick to no more than 7 hues and combine with shape or pattern for extra distinction. Make sure legends show order and meaning, not just color swatches, so interpretation is immediate. You finish by refining labels and annotations so color supports the story rather than replaces it. Export using sRGB and preview on multiple displays because color shifts can break your design. If the visualization looks muddy or viewers misinterpret categories, simplify by reducing hues, boosting contrast, or adding distinct shapes or textures. One key troubleshooting tip: when colors appear similar, switch to a colorblind-friendly palette and add direct.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.